Hi and welcome to this video, and I am Sixan Sunny. I'm an interior designer. This video has been done for the architects, interior designers, builders, contractors, 3D architecture visualizers and the people who use CAD drafting softwares. This is a very important information to pass on about the 3D designing softwares and the CAD drafting softwares which you use in the market today. So when you consider these 3D designing and CAD drafting softwares which are popular in the market today, they are paid softwares. It is very important to make sure that you are not using any pirated softwares, pirated versions of these softwares. So consider using some free softwares available in the market today. So what is the option? There are many options which are available in the market today to use it free of cost. So I'm just going to show you some of the options which are available in the market today free of cost to use for 3D designing and CAD drafting. What are these? As per some of the researches I did in the internet, I have found one or two softwares which can be used for CAD drafting and 3D designing. Some of these are Blender 2.8 and NanoCAD. Blender 2.8 is a software that can be used for 3D designing and visualization very effectively. This software is having a complete suite for modeling, texturing, lighting and rendering of different 3D architectural and interior design visualization. It's a complete suite and it's free of cost and completely free and open source software available in the market today. Another software is NanoCAD and NanoCAD 5, the base version of NanoCAD Pro and Plus, which are paid softwares. NanoCAD 5 is a free software and can be used for CAD drafting. Now, what are the considerations which we take when we select a 3D designing or a CAD drafting software? The first thing is the precision modeling. That is, we have to do all the designing and modeling in the dimensions and proportions which are required, and that is very much available in Blender 2.8 as well as NanoCAD. The second thing is visualization, the realism of visualization, the output which we get. How photorealistic is the output which we get from these softwares? That consideration, Blender 2.8 scores very well. Using the cycles and EV render engines, we get very good outputs from Blender 2.8. The third part is how easy is it to use the user interface of Blender 2.8 and NanoCAD. When you consider a free software, is it available in the market and is there any development which is happening on the background? Yes, definitely Blender 2.8 is having a very good development which is happening on the back end, and you have all the support for all the requirements you require to consider and change your workflow from other 3D designing softwares and into Blender 2.8. So what are the three things which you have to keep in mind while using 3D designing and CAD drafting softwares are: avoid using pirated softwares, otherwise you end up in problems. Buy the original softwares and try to reduce the numbers to avoid the expenses or reduce the expenses. When you consider the expense for the paid softwares which you use, it is almost like double or triple the income which you get. So try to avoid the expense and try to use free softwares in your workflow so that you can avoid these expenses and make your business more profitable. So try using all the free softwares. All the best.